welcome back. So today I decided to do a really quick video to show you exactly how I make my ombre lip gloss. The lip gloss that I will be showing you in this video is my Amaretto Sour. So we're just gonna get right into the video. So pretty much what I'm showing right now is the first thing that I do is I use the TKB Trading Versagel or clear lip gloss base. Anytime that I make my lip gloss, I always measure it out just to see exactly how many ounces of lip gloss base that I am using. Adding the oils, I start off with a small amount and then I work my way up because I do not like my lip gloss to be too thin, nor do I like it to be too thick. So I start off with the coconut oil. I mix that in or blend that in together. The way that I do blend is I stir as well as fold the mixture just to get rid of as many bubbles in the lip gloss base as I can. So then after I blend in the coconut oil, I go in with the castor oil. I do the same exact thing. And then I only add a couple of drops of the vitamin E oil. Pretty much I'm just going to continue to mix everything together. Mixing does take a little bit of time. And you want to make sure that you're mixing and blending your oils as well as your base as good as possible. So I do also add a preservative just to extend the life or extend the wear of the lip gloss. So after everything is well blended, I go in and make the first part of my lip gloss because, as you guys know, my lip gloss is the ombre look, so it has two colors. The first color that I am making is the orange color. If you guys do not know, when you think about an Amaretto Sour cocktail, it's two colors. It's orange as well as red for the cherries. So that's the concept that I came up with making my Amaretto Sour lip gloss. So I am using a orange lip liquid dye or concentrate, and this stuff does add a lot of color to your lip gloss, so you want to make sure you be careful of how much lip liquid that you do use. After I do that, I do add in a little bit of my flavor or scent oil. You guys do not have to use flavor or scent oil, but I prefer to use it because it makes your lip gloss smell so good, you guys. But anyways, I'm going in and adding my flavor or scent oil, and then after I do that, what I'm going to do next is make the second part of my lip gloss, which is the red color. While I'm mixing, I did want to let you guys know that before you start to make your lip gloss, you want to make sure that you clean all your utensils with some antibacterial soap. Make sure that you wipe it down with alcohol just to be very sanitary. Also, I do want to let you guys know that when I do make my lip gloss, I tend to use a glass bowl as well as a spatula. This allows me to mix and blend my lip gloss to the exact consistency that I want for my client. In order to make my red color, I do use a red pigment powder. If you guys do not know, there is mica and there's a pigment. So just be careful of which one that you do use, because with a mica gives your lip gloss a shimmer look versus a pigment. A pigment, all it does is it colors your lip gloss base to whatever color that or whatever powder that you do use. But for this one, I didn't really want any shimmer. I just wanted to color the lip gloss base, so that's why I am using a red pigment. Again, the next thing to do is to blend and mix everything very, very well. If you guys are liking this video so far, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see any of my other lip gloss tutorials, definitely check those out. I did create a playlist, and I will either leave it up above or down below in the description section. Also, comment down below if you already have your lip gloss business or you're looking to make your own lip gloss. Comment down below and let me know if you do like these type of videos that I am uploading for you. But let's get back into the video. The next thing after I made my lip gloss, the next thing is to do, of course, is to prep your syringe and your pipettes. Be careful when it comes to what size pipette that you use. In order to figure out which size pipette that you use, it depends on the opening of your squeeze tubes or your wand tubes. You can use a bigger pipette for your squeeze tube because the opening is bigger, but if your wand tubes, the opening is small, you're going to need a smaller size pipette. What you need to do is take your syringe out of its packaging. It is already sterile, and then you go ahead and take your pipette. You cut the top piece off of the pipette, and depending on if you're using a small size wand tube, you can pretty much leave the end of it on. If you're using if you have a bigger size wand tube or a squeeze tube, then you can cut a little bit of the end of the pipette off. And then after you do that, the only thing you have to do is stick the pipette onto the syringe. And I tend to use some Scotch tape just to make sure that when I do start squeezing in my lip gloss into my tubes, the pipette does not pop off. I've prepped my syringe, my pipette. The next step is to, of course, start filling your tubes. So what I do is I fill in the red gloss in one syringe, and then I fill the orange gloss in another syringe. And I use my spatula to do this. I think it's easier to use a spatula. As you can use a spoon to scoop out your gloss and put it in your syringe, but I noticed that using a spatula, it works best for me. And after I do that, then I just go ahead and fill in my tubes, and you guys can see exactly how I fill my squeeze tubes as well as my wand tubes.
Oh no no no, oh no no no, oh no no no, oh no no no, yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here.
Guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. This is a really easy process once you get the hang of it when it comes to making lip gloss or making ombre lip gloss or glitter lip gloss or whatever. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And then also make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I post a lot of stuff when it comes to my lip gloss. I'm doing giveaways on my Instagram as well as different discounts and sales. So definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no, just tell them that no one can judge you.